See how it worsens? Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You seem tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless, devious, and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one. Well, there's love. Hello, darkness. That's me. She doesn't scare you. No people think we're serious to take us up. I'm full of Yes, yes. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darling! You see, and some of you do understand the fabulous head feels. All the innocent children. You better be right. Watching you right away. Is it my fault I have a flair for fashion? Or that the puppies stirred my passion? Great artists are always misunderstood. It's enough to make one see sports! Yes! But now, stick here! Yes! Yes! How rude!
True.
Excuse
me.
Let's go scandals already! Oh my big fish! Oh Lord! Yes! Louder! Now scream for me! You're both misunderstood!
What did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
Hey, pal, I know you're in there.
Oh, no. I have told you I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you.
Why, hello. Look at you, you're so small. Captain Hog got your service. Thank you for the crappy the pay gets all the attention. Even Sweet likes him better than me. Do you? Dare you pull me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that! Pandering tools! Let me see. No one. Now, sing! Yo-ho! 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 So try the life of a thief. Just sample the life of a cook. Then to one who won't have fun, working for Captain Hook. The world's most free masquerade!
but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Ah, yes. The fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
The knave in the narrow way, have I? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending, except you. It's soul-crushing. I've been woefully misinterpreting your love of me at once. Sleeping beauty, the kiss of true love. I suppose that the happily ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing. Does anyone ever think of it like that? Try to play misunderstood. Misunderstood? Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
Perfect. They see the light. It's never wrong to make things right.
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn. Hold it right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay? You know what I mean?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the god!
That is insignificant and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's talking us, huh?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out, which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first, okay?
You hurry and hurry on. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that wine?
What?
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. Well, hey, whoever's knocking, get in line. I was here first, okay?
I dare any to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
what's happening? Oh, back up now.
Oh no, more than
Oh, no, right now. Yikes. Oh, can you believe this guy?
I am the Grand Vizier of Villainous.
He's got focus on this guy. Oh, that it has come to this. Seriously? Okay, you? Oh, boy, no. Right now, it's this. Whoa, time out. Time to heat things
understand me most of all. The name that is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shadow, again. Too many must end. But you, yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill? Cruella de Vil!
Shame for me!
Or shout for the world's most famous crook! Or scream in a deviant upheaval!
My curse produced true love!
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil!
My glittering sin.
The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? Maleficent!
Gratifying day. Embrace your inner villain with me! We're all misunderstood. Only at once, I did once upon
They chose. Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well, but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
The